So you missed the excitement because we're over here on the south side. Shelly's going to video a clip for The Killing Fields, which is a movie that Bo is doing with some other guys. And there's this really cool bar across the street. If I get out, I'll show it to you. And I wanted to take a picture because I was thinking like Miley, you know, she's always like taking pictures of cool random stuff. And this bar is so cool, and they have this old tractor in front of it, and I thought it was so awesome. I wanted to take a picture, so we like roll up, and Bo's like, oh, that's the film where we're going to do this shot. And I go, well, wait, I want to take a picture of this tractor in front of this bar. And I took a picture, and inside the bar, they start screaming at me, like, what the hell are you taking pictures for? My bar! I'm like, oh my God, what is the big deal? So we drive off, we come to this car wash that we're at right now, where we're going to be shooting across the street from where we're going to be shooting the shot. And she gets in her car and drives over here, and I rolled down the window, and she said, why are you taking pictures of my bar? I'm like, oh my gosh, well, we're doing a movie, and we thought it'd be really cool to, I said, you know, it's kind of a scary movie, and I said, and your bar is really cool and eclectic, and I just thought we're just taking different shots of the area to find out where we're going to do the movie. Man, her, tone changed, of course, immediately. It was like, oh, well, yeah, you can come use the bar anytime you want. They've shot videos here and stuff at the bar, and I'm like, yeah, okay. So, anyway, that was exciting, and so now we're waiting for Shelly. She's lost, poor thing, and then she's going to come, and we're going to shoot our clip across the way, so I will tape it and let you know how it goes.